Now, let us understand sampling. What is sampling? We have a big dataset. From that big dataset, I want to select few records for any purpose. Now here, we want to create sample from the actual population. So we want to create a subset of participant. Now when we create this subset, it is random. So here you can see we have actual population and we are creating two samples from this actual population. Now to do this sampling, we have different techniques. Here we are going to learn stratified sampling technique. Now, what does this technique state? It is a random sampling techniques that clubs item of the whole population into different groups. Now these different groups are called strata. These stratas are created based on similar characteristics. So here we have entire population, as you can see here. We have created three different stratum. Stratum 1, 2 and 3. Now these stratums are created based on participants who has similar characteristics. And now we are creating samples from each stratum so that in the sample data we have participants from all the groups. So here is an example. There is a business research team who want to survey 120,000 employees working in various locations in the US. In the table below, we see branch office, for example, New Jersey, and number of employees working in that office. So we have the information about the office and employees in this table. Now, when we use stratified sampling technique, we take a ratio of employees working in different branches. And how do we identify this ratio? It is a total sample size divided by entire population. Okay, so this is a ratio that we need to maintain. And then we multiply this ratio with population of a subgroup. For example, we need to find how many employees we will take as a sample from New Jersey office. So how we are going to find it? We will see the ratio, that is, assume the total sample size is 12,000 and the total number of employees. So 12,000 divided by 120,000, so it is 1/10 of the total employees. Now the total number of employees that are working in the New Jersey office is 20,000. So the sample size for the New Jersey office will be 1/10 of 20,000, that is 2,000. Similarly, we'll calculate the sample size for each of the offices and we have created the below table. So we have 2000 from New Jersey, from New York 1900, California 1700, and total we have 12,000 employees on which we are going to do the research.